Hey, you all, how are you doing? This is Mr. Cheers, and I'm about to give you a quick model of how I want the do now to be executed for today. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, and then you're going to go where it says warm up, making the claim. Click on that. And then right here, based on the writing prompt, you're going to revise the two claims so they make sense. So you're going to revise based on the following CFS. This is a sample writing prompt. Read a train trip and from the wild carefully. Then in two well-written paragraphs, analyze how the author conveys the narrator's attitude towards their journey. You're not writing to this prompt, but the two claims that you're going to revise were based on this prompt. So when you're revising the prompt, you want to make sure that it states the attitude of the narrator toward their journey. Can the claim be supported with evidence from the text? And is it focused in tackling one position? This is a sentence starter, so you might be revising and you might be trying to figure out, okay, what sentence structure do I need to use, or I'm kind of lost upon how to even make this make sense. Use this sentence starter and that can help you. Your first topic sentence is here. So you're going to read this topic sentence and then I want you to revise it based on what you think is best on how it should sound. And then you're going to read the second topic sentence and then you're going to revise it again. Each topic sentence is lacking something, right? It either needs to identify the attitude of the narrator more clearly and concisely, or it is a little too short and needs a little bit more information. After you're done with that, you're going to type it in and then press the submission button. And then that's it.